Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to configure a basic network using Cisco Packet Tracer. So for that we're going to use today 4 PCs, 2 switches and a single router. So as you can see, these are all different devices. So to connect them, we're going to have to use the copper straight through cable. So firstly we're going to connect the PCs with the switches. And now we're going to connect the switch with the router using gigabit Ethernet ports. Now as you can see, there are red lights. That means there has been no connection established between the two. So we're gonna have to configure and we're gonna change these red lights into green. So for the first step for that is we're gonna have to configure the router ports. Let's go to CLI mode. Let's see what it says. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Yes or no? We're gonna type no. Enter. Again. Now in the user execution mode, let's type enable. Press enter. Now in the privilege mode, let's type configure terminal. Press enter. Now in the global configuration mode, so now we're gonna have to configure the interface. So we have to write interface and the name of it G0/0. Enter. So now we're gonna have to write IP address and assign IP. I'm going to use 1.1. You can use anything. And press space and type the basic class C subnet mask and press enter. And now we're going to have to write no shutdown. Press enter. Now as you can see, interface G0/0 changed state to up. That means this port has been configured. So let's press enter. Now we're going to have to exit the interface mode. Now we get back to the global configuration mode and let's configure the other interface G0/1. Just remember we're gonna have to configure it for 2 different networks so that it would work. G0/1 change state to up, so it's done. Let's see. The red lights have been changed to the green lights now. The next step for it is let's configure the PCs. Click on it, go to desktop, IP configuration and type an IP address. I'm going to use 1.10. You can use anything. And about the default gateway, the default gateway is the gateway. We're gonna have to type the IP of our exiting router. So in our case, the IP is 192.168.1.1. Same to the other PC in the same network. Again, default gateway. And now we go to the other side. I'm going to use 2.10. And now this side, as we can see, let me show you. Now this side, our default gateway is going to be 2.1 because this port has been configured with that IP address because it is connected to this network. So let's put it up. 2.1. Same to the second PC. So this has been done. The connections has been established. So let's forward some time because to update their tables. So now we can also check, we can send messages, a simple PDU. Let's first try with the PC to the router. You can see here it is successful. The connection has been made. We can check it this side too. Yes, see, it's successful. And now let's see if it can go across the network. Yes, see, it's going. So that means our connection has been established. So guys, this was the basic configuration of a really simple network.